We got stopped right at the entry point. Police barricade. No argument, no negotiation. If you're coming into Ooty on this day, or any day rather, this is the road you take. And my first thought, not the hairpins? Huh, that's what I've been waiting for since Bangalore. 36 hairpins, the descent gone. The road they sent us was nothing like what I expected. It was wide open and the scenery was beautiful. I even slowed down a bit just to take it all in. Not going to lie, for the first few minutes it felt too easy, too forgiving, too open. But I kept riding, and the road had other plans. And that's when it started doing something I didn't expect. It didn't challenge me with the tight turns, it just kept going. Straight roads, amazing. Corner after corner, not sharp, not technical, just flowing. The bike found its own pace and I stopped fighting what this road wasn't and started feeling what it actually was. Somewhere on that stretch, I stopped thinking altogether.
Yeah.
And that's when it happened. A Himalayan 411 ahead. Not a slow bike, not an easy bus, cornering a corner coming up. There is space, and I take it. Clean entry, clean exit, the kind of overtake that only happens when you are not forcing anything. When the road is already working with you. After that, the road opened into something else entirely. Pine forest on both sides, long sight lines, cold air dropping in, roads that just kept going. This wasn't what I came for, but standing in it, I got it. This is why they call it the Queen of Hill Stations. Not because it breaks you, but because of how it feels when everything just works. This isn't the kind of place you push through, it's the kind you settle into. I left the group behind just so that I could take some solo riding shots, enjoy the turns. It was too much fun. And we were supposed to meet at the lunch point. This was around 10 kilometers downhill. The roads were not that great, but some spots, there were some bad spots, but it's not that bad. And then Bandipur. The pace dropped, had to obviously. No pushing here, no rushing anything through. Just the road, the trees, the quiet, three shots. Saw a few elephants, deers, or maybe it was stags, I'm not sure. That's how it is. If you get diverted into this road, don't fight. This wasn't the ride I came for, but it's the one I will remember. Had a lot of fun. Except for Bandipur, of course. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.